Hello students, in this video we will discuss about diagonals, type of polygons and angle sum property. So we will start with diagonals. A diagonal is a line segment connecting two non-consecutive vertices of a polygon. Two non-consecutive vertices means opposite corner. Like this, in this rectangle, P and R are opposite vertices. So these are two non-consecutive vertices. Same S and Q. S and Q are opposite vertices. So these are non-consecutive vertices. So a diagonal is line segment connected to. So then SQ is a diagonal and PR is a diagonal. In this figure, AD, DB, AC, BE, EC are diagonals because these lines connected to opposite vertices. In this figure, look, KM, LN are diagonals because K, M are opposite vertices. So this line segment connected to opposite vertices, this is called KM. KM is diagonals and LN is also a diagonals. Students, if you want to find out number of diagonals in a polygon, so we use this formula, n bracket n minus 3 upon 2. Here n means number of side. Clear? So you have to write this formula on this page. So students, you already know that we mean by interior and exterior of a closed curve. So the portion covered by a closed curve inside it is called the interior of a curve. This is a closed curve and this covered portion inside's portion covered by a closed curve is called interior, and the portion outside, this is a closed curve and the outside portion of a closed curve is called exterior. So this portion is called exterior and this portion is called interior. Clear? Students, now we will study about types of polygons. So convex and concave polygons. These are convex polygons and these are concave polygons. Polygons that are convex have no portions of their diagonals in their exterior or any line segment joining any two different points in the interior of the polygon lies wholly in the interior of it. Students, look this figure. In this figure, all diagonals are inside this figure. But in this figure, one diagonal is outside of this figure. Next, in this figure, all diagonals are inside this figure, and in this figure, one diagonal is outside of this figure. So, these figures are convex polygons and these figures are concave polygons. Say that in convex polygons, every diagonal of the figure passes only through interior points of the polygon, and in concave polygon, at least one diagonal of the figure contains points that are exterior to the polygon. Clear? Next, regular and irregular polygons. A regular polygon is both equiangular and equilateral. For example, a square has sides of equal length and angles of equal measure. Hence, it is a regular polygon. A rectangle is equiangular but not equilateral. Is a rectangle a regular polygon? Is an equilateral triangle a regular polygon? Students, if a polygon having all sides equal and all angles equal is called a regular polygon. So, equilateral triangle and a square are example of regular polygons. And if polygons which are not regular are called irregular polygons. A rectangle and a rhombus are example of irregular polygons. Clear? Students, means if a polygon have sides and angle both, sides and angle both are equal, that is regular polygon. So this is a regular polygon and this is a square, this is a regular polygon. But this is right angle triangle, this is not a regular polygon. So this is irregular polygon. And same rectangle, all sides are not equal. So this is not a regular polygon. So this is irregular polygons. Students, you can see some other figures of regular polygons and polygons that are not regular, means irregular polygons. So these are regular polygons and these are irregular polygons. Next, angle sum property. Do you remember the angle sum property of a triangle? The sum of the measure of the three angles of a triangle is 180. So you can do like this. This is a quadrilateral. Why this is a quadrilateral? Because this figure has four sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is called quadrilateral. Students, this is convex quadrilateral because when we draw diagonals in this figure, we get all diagonals inside of this figure. So this is convex quadrilateral. Students, in this chapter, we will be dealing with convex polygons only. Clear? Take any quadrilateral, say ABCD, divide it into two triangles by drawing a diagonal. So we draw a diagonal AC. You get 6 angles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Use the angle sum property of a triangle. So the sum of the measure of the three angles of a triangle is 180. So this is 180 and the sum of angle of this triangle is 180. So 180 plus 180 will be 360. Clear? You can read this and you can do this activity by yourself. So we get the sum of the measures of the four angles of a quadrilateral is 360. Students, we will meet with my next video. We will be solve exercise 3.1. Thank you.